G'day YouTubers, it's been a while. This is a 1983 IT490 in Australia. Needs a bit of work, picked it up the other day. Start from the front end and work our way through. So it looks like the front wheels off a YZ490 or an IT250 or something. It's got the Z spokes. At least it's got the speedo drive, which is good. The forks aren't too bad. If I pull these down, you can see there's no rust on them. I've had a look. Looks like the seal's been leaking. It's a bit dirty on the bottom. Part of the top here, it's missing the top triple clamp and the handlebars, all the brake levers and stuff, and the wiring. All the wiring's missing except for the stator. Tank, as you can see, is all some damage. The other side has got a nice split in it, which I'll show you when I get around. Exhaust pipe doesn't look too bad. It's a bit rusty, but clean up alright. The engine bottom end's pretty good. Took the clutch cover off the other day. The clutch doesn't have any wear marks where the teeth go in and out, so it works nicely. Went through the gears and they all seem to work, no clunking. It's missing the Kickstarter though. As you can see, it's had a bit of weld repairs around the Kickstarter. Kickstarter's missing the spring return. The carby's there with the boot. It's dirty, but it just needs a clean. All the suspension's there. The airbox is missing the cover and the filter, but the cages there, which are one thing that's hard to get. The seat looks alright, just needs a cover. It's nice and squared off still. Frame looks pretty good. It's missing the foot pegs, but the brakes are there, the lever on the rear. Missing the brake shoes, the hub. Put that in. It's only got the one side plastic guard with it. The other side probably melted with the exhaust pipe. Rear swing arm. I've got the chain guide for this, but it's just in the box. I put a lever on the gear stick and went through the gears. It's alright. The stator I've removed because it's missing the lighting coil of, it looks like a YZ1. Top end on this has been scored from probably a piston blowing up inside of it. Probably gonna have to go up a few sizes. It's got no piston at the moment. It does turn over freely. A bit more of the exhaust, so it's missing the muffler. It's a bit rusty, like I said, but it's not too bad. The stator cover's nice. It's got the leading brake shoes on it, which work. Frame seems to be straight. It's just a little bit of surface rust that would come off of the wire wheel and grinder. Still got the plastic and rubber bits on the bottom of the swing arm. The bearings on the swing arm were actually not too bad. It doesn't seem to be too much slack. I had to plough the clutch. When I turn it that way with the pliers, it pulls the pinion, the clutch opens. So that works. So there's no wiring on this except for the stator. I need to get the CDI lighting coil, regulator, battery box. As you can see, nice big split in the tank there, so can't use that. It's got a good cap. There's an Australian compliance plate for 1983. It's probably something that you would use if you had two of them to make a good one out of them. It's more of a spares bike, I think, than trying to do it up. So I might pull it apart, put it in the back of the shed, wait till I get another one. So the gearbox on the back, that's also been repaired with fiberglass by the looks of it. Throttle. And the bearings on the wheels are right, they work alright. So I moved it outside. Come in a big box of pieces. I've just pieced it together to see what's missing for now. I don't know if I said, but yeah, it's missing the brake shoe. So that's the IT490. Hope you enjoy the video. There'll be a few updates probably in the future, or a long time actually away. Thanks for watching again.